Have you ever felt like this? You listen to English every day. You understand more and more. But you still can't speak. You feel stuck. You feel slow. And you start thinking, why am I not improving? But here's the truth. You might be in something called the silent period. What is the silent period? The silent period is a stage in language learning where you understand a lot, but you don't speak much. Or sometimes, you don't speak at all. This usually happens in the early stages of learning. Your brain is absorbing the language. It's listening. It's building patterns. It's learning how English works. But it's not ready to speak yet. Why this happens? Your brain needs time. Think about children learning their first language. They listen for months before they start speaking. Why? Because understanding comes before speaking. Your brain is collecting sounds, vocabulary, sentence patterns. This process takes time. The biggest mistake. Many learners panic. They think, I'm not speaking, so I'm failing. So they try to force themselves to speak. Memorize sentences. Push too hard. This creates stress, not progress. What you should do instead. Here's the right approach. 1. Keep listening and reading. Input is your foundation. The more you understand, the easier speaking becomes. 2. Don't rush speaking. Let it happen naturally. When your brain is ready, words will come out. 3. Focus on understanding. Don't try to speak perfectly. Focus on meaning, context, patterns. 4. Use light speaking practice. You can still practice a little. Repeat simple sentences. Talk to yourself. Answer easy questions. No pressure. 5. Be patient. This stage is temporary. Everyone goes through it. Signs you are improving. Even if you're not speaking much, you are improving if you understand more than before. You recognize words faster. You follow conversations more easily. That's real progress. So remember, the silent period is not failure. It's part of the process. Trust your brain. Keep going. Because you don't speak when you want to. You speak when your brain is ready. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.